This guy is been a while, right? Yeah, join with us here to learn English together here. Now also little bit slow when speak about English. You know what? You know the benefit from join with club or English community. You know what make us increase only our speaking like the speaker or not. So I don't push you. I don't support you. I don't let you like speak like the speaker to this guy. You know what? To increase us, to teach us about how to speak very fluently now, little by little. This guy has been a while, right? It's been a long time he joined us here. Can you imagine that? You can't live that right now myself. You know, like I said before, from the end of the day, and only people can speak English, including Mongols can speak English. So that's one more time. That's my word, right? One point nowadays, English very important.
You haven't had leave, right?